host, Mask Punk. And welcome to a new feature, How to Do It. This week, in our very first episode, we're going to be teaching you how to construct a box culvert bridge, how to split an atom, and most importantly, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And for that, we turn to our expert, Professor Cuban.
Sure. But first, tap that like button, click that follow icon, hit the subscribe link, and tune in every week for all the amazing, awesome, exciting videos here on
How to Do It. As we said, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Go ahead.
It's okay. We'll wait.
So, Professor Cuban, you study Cuban. Can you please tell us how to do it?
Sure. You see the square in the middle? You make sure all the squares around it are the same color, and you do that for all the sides.
So like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Thank you, Professor Cuban. As I said, make sure to follow us, like this video, and subscribe. But don't tune in next week because our show just got canceled as we were filming.
And I was going to show how black and white people can live together in peace and harmony.